video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install custom add-on pads into your FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So first of all, you have to select a pad from any GTA 5 modding website. So for this video, I'll be using GTA 5 mods. I'll put the link in the description below. So I have already selected a pad over here. You just need to click on this download button to download the pad. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file. Now open the folder. Now you have to find these kind of file from your pads folder. Now you just need to copy the name of the file. Now create a new folder with this same name. And inside this folder, we have to create a stream folder. Just like this. Now come back. Now you just need to copy these files from here. Now open the folder which we just created. Now inside the stream folder, we have to paste this file over here. Just like this. Now here we have to create two files. One is resource.lua and another one is pad.meta. So I have already created the files. So I'll be just pasting it over here. Just like this. You can find these files from my Discord server. I'll put the link in the description below. Now you just need to open the pads.meta. Over here, we just need to do some changes. In the section of name, we have to give the name of our pad. So I'll be copying this name from here and pasting it over here. Just like this. So over here, we have to declare the gender of our pad. So I'll be keeping it on male. If you have any female pad, you just need to change the male to female. After that, save this file. Now we have to declare this pad in our clothing menu. In my case, I'll be using QB clothing. So I'll be just opening the QB clothing. Then config.lua. Now we just need to find the man player model section. So it's just right here, as you can see. So I'll be adding the pad over here. Now we just need to copy the name of the folder and paste it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the multi-character. Now let's create a new character over here. And I'll be giving a name of Spider-Man. After selecting the gender, click on Create Character. So now let's select the apartment. So we got a clothing menu over here. So I have added the pad in my second character slot. So as you can see over here, we got our pad in our FiveM server. After selecting it, click on Confirm. So as you can see over here, our new custom pad has been successfully installed into our FiveM server. And this Spider-Man pad is looking really amazing, as you can see. This pad is from Marvel Rivals. So if you want, I'll put the Spider-Man's link in the description below. If you want, you can just download this pad as well. So as you can see, this is how we can add custom pads into our FiveM server. So as you can see, we can perform any type of actions with this pad. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.